What is up, everybody? It's your boy, Real Estate Investor Sav. You know who it is. And here's my edition of Sunday. So you want to be a real estate investor, huh? All right, check it out, man. I get this, the saying, right? From all flippers, investors, you never know what you're going to get when you open up the walls. So always put a contingency, right? I always preach that to everybody I talk to. You never know what's going to happen when you open up the walls, right? And for the most part, it's always okay. It's always okay. Nothing too crazy, right? But in this particular house, oh my God. All right, let's go and check it out. Flip it around here. Investor called me, said he wants to reno this place, all plaster walls. Great, but thank God he listened to my advice and said, I told him, let's demo these walls. Let's demo these walls because we don't know what's behind these walls. All right. And look what we found out over here. So here we are in the living room. And can you see that? That's the beam bowing right there. Oh, I wonder why. Let's check it out. Here we go. We got the beam supported by, what is that? 7-inch baseboard. That's your support for this beam right here. I love it. Crossing the window that was all blocked off and wedged into the base plate, bottom plate there to the top, holding that whole floor up. By the way, there's a lintel that goes from here right up to here. We're talking about maybe 15 feet stretch, a lintel, right? Nothing else. And there you go. That's the sag. That's the first one. Here's the second one. Second one, we got a 2x4 post holding it up. Oh, and it's a metal, something better than nothing, I guess, right? But still bone on this side. Oh, look there. It's a little wedge. That's what this whole thing is sitting on. This beam over here is sitting on that little wedge, which, by the way, is holding up the second floor. And above that is the bathroom. You can see the drain there, right there. You can see the drain. So we had a whole bathroom up there, which was leaking to make things even better, right? Onto this wood sort of structure, engineering greatness over here, which was all covered up with plaster. So we couldn't even see this. All this was covered up with plaster wall, lath behind it, right? We couldn't even see this when we were looking at the house. We were wondering, what the hell are these for? I thought it was a 4 beam. Obviously not 4. Something that they really want to do. So always open up the walls, man. If you can, if there's something telling you there's something wrong, open. And that was not even the reason why I suggested to open up the walls in the first place. This was it. Okay, I'm in a bedroom upstairs here and I see a GFI plug in the bedroom. That for me is a sure sign of, guess what? Knob and tube wiring. There you go. All right, all these plugs and switches looked updated from the outside when we had all this plaster. Looked like that, but it's all junctioned. What they hid behind the walls was all knob and tube. You can see here. Check out this jam. GFI again, but behind there, woo-wee, look at that. I'm no electrician, but I don't know if that's what it is to be an electrician or a real estate investor, huh? This is what you want to do. You want to be a real estate investor. All right, get ready, boys and girls. So that's it for my Sunday edition of So You Want to Be a Real Estate Investor, huh? Well, don't let me discourage you. Trust the professionals, always ask the questions, and there are some telltale signs for you to know that some shit can go on. All right? So always look for GFIs where they shouldn't be, right? GFIs or GFCIs are in areas where there's water source to shut them off and the circuit off. But if they're in a living room or a bedroom, potentially you have knob and tube. Not that it can't be fixed. Everything can be fixed, guys. So don't get discouraged, but just be prepared for the worst when you open up the walls. Oh, and if you got bowing ceilings, try and figure out what's going on over there, please, because you don't want this. That's for sure. All right. Follow us on the next story. Peace.